Ayan. Okay. And then close it. And it will have water because of the leaves. Ayan. Wait again and see. Ayan! Ang bilis na luto ng aking gulay. Woohoo! And last, lagyan natin syempre ng asin. Kasi pag walang asin, wawalang lasa. So, green is the color. Ayan. Haluin natin. Lagyan natin yan ng asin. Don't forget to put the asin. Actually, better bagoong. But because iwas-iwas na, dahil may edad na, hindi na po ako gaanong nagbabagoong. Asin na lang. Yan. So, yan po yung ating pinakbet. Version ni Ate Panmoy.